How to log in Facebook Messenger app login or sign in tutorial. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can log into Facebook Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there isn't a different process to log into Facebook Messenger account. It's just like how you log in on the normal Facebook app. The only difference being is that as long as you are logged in on the Facebook app, you will automatically be logged in on the Messenger app. So you want to make sure to log into your Facebook app over here. Once you log into your Facebook app, you can simply open up Messenger and you will get automatically logged in. Otherwise, if you are not logged in on Facebook and you want to log in on Messenger, well, then it will give you a permission to log into another account. So let me just try to clear the current app data over here. Once I've done this, I can simply try to open up the Messenger app. Then it will give me a pop-up if I want to log into another account here. So instead I can tap on log into another account and enter my account details and log in. So this way you should be able to log into the Messenger application. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.